Hi boys and girls, today for Skills Unit 6, we are jumping into Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will be doing your spelling assessment, okay? That is one of your goals on our primary focus slide. We will also be reading the story called Trouble with the British with Purpose and Understanding. Normally in the classroom, we would be using the table of contents to find the chapter, but in this case, I just give you the chapter. We have learned about table of contents in the past with our chapter books. Okay, you will also be answering multiple choice questions about key details in the text. Let's go ahead and get started. Have somebody at home give you your spelling test if you are not on Zoom. Okay, jumping into our chapter. We have trouble with the British. Okay, now we have some tricky words here. I'll give you a chance to look through those. Okay, first one, we have Great Britain. The correct pronunciation is Great Britain, right? That A and I at the end of Britain is being super lazy and making that schwa sound. Okay, Britain. We all hear that? Europe is your next word. What's super tricky about that word? What do you think? Okay, that E in the front is making that Y sound. Europe, right? Okay, next word is native. What is tricky about the word native? Okay, you hear that A in the beginning, say its name, native. Next word. Americans. What is tricky about the word Americans? Okay, a couple things. The first one being that A is making that schwa sound. It's being super lazy. Americans, right? Next, that E is making that A sound. Americans. And lastly, the S at the end sounds like a Z. Americans. Next, we have war. What is tricky about that small word, war? That A-R, normally it would be pronounced R, right? But in this case, it's pronounced O-R. Wa-or. Not wa-ar. War. And last but not least, we have signature. The word signature. What is tricky about that word? Signature. A couple things. We have that A making the sound, being lazy. Next, we have that T making that ch sound. Signature. Okay? All right, let's jump into our vocabulary. First one is British. Those are people who came from Great Britain. Next, we have U.S. Congress. Those are people elected to make laws for the United States. Okay, they're voted in to make laws for us. Next, we have declare war. That is a verb. That's officially a saying that one country will start a war with another country, okay? Declaring war. Next, we have trader. That's a noun, okay? That's actually somebody who exchanges something to get something in return. For example, traders, traded, trading, trade. Okay. Next, we have army. That is a group of soldiers trained to fight on land. Next, we have navy. That's a group of soldiers trained to fight battles out on sea, okay, on ships. Next, we have impressment. We've heard that word before. That is the state of being forced to serve in the British Navy. That's called impressment. All right, let's jump right in to our story, okay? You're going to read through the story. Once you're finished with that, you're going to complete activity page 5.2. And that is it for today for skills. Okay, you don't have spelling words because you just took your test. You'll get new spelling words in our next lesson. So that is it today, boys and girls. I hope you all have a great day.